Hi everybody, my name is Sean O'Kane with Ship Estimate TV, where we bring you the latest trends and information and technologies specific to the semiconductor and IP industry. We're here at DesignCon 2013, Santa Clara, California. My guest today is Doru Popescu, market segment manager with Agilent Technologies. Thank you very much for spending a little bit of time with us. I know you're busy today.
Thanks for having me, Sean.
Great. What makes DesignCon so unique to the attendees here?
DesignCon is one of a kind. It's the event for electronic engineers, for chip designers. In fact, maybe the one and only for many of them. They'll come here to meet with vendors and see the latest solutions, talk to experts behind the demonstrations, attend some tutorials and papers, and just as important, network with their peers and see what they're up to. So, pretty compelling.
Oh, I know. From what you have seen, what technologies or trends do you think will have a big impact going forward?
Well, it's pretty hard to escape, Sean. If you look at what's happening all around us, it's all about mobile computing, and it's about the cloud, right, and everything in between. So, we like it or not, that's touching just about everything around us. And you look at the trends that bring it closer to home. You're talking about faster processors, but now at much lower power. There was never a challenge before. You got to do both. It was either or. Now it's both. You got to do both. You're looking at like the memory challenges, the evolution of memory. Not just the density, but now 3D stacking. You're looking at challenges in testing these new technologies, and the ability to access test points, ability to probe is becoming increasingly more challenging. So no shortage on that front.
Amazing. Now, what is Agilent showcasing here at the show this year?
Well, we continue to bring some of our most recent introductions. In fact, we had several we announced at the show, but we have eight demos in our booth. And the way we look at it is we try to cover the full spectrum, the full life cycle of the design process, from simulation to analysis and debug, all the way to compliance testing. So we try to group our offering and our demos in those three areas. So for example, on the simulation side, we're showing our advanced ADS product and some of these new capabilities. We also showing things like PLTS, physical layer test solution. Okay. On the analysis and debug, we'll show some of our latest scopes, like a brand new touch-sensitive screen scope that you must not only see but touch to really appreciate the power. We're also showing some of the high-definition scopes, 12-bit scopes, along with some innovative current probes, again, just announced, or some more compact and more affordable serial BERT solutions that go up to 25, 32 gig. Okay, so that's finally on the compliance side. One product and one solution that we're showing is a compliance test, again for physical devices, whether there could be backplanes, cables, connectors, things that maybe in the past we kind of took for granted, but that as things in high-speed digital are getting ever so faster and tighter, all of a sudden getting a whole new attention.
That's amazing. You have all those demos and products available in your booth here.
That's correct.
So, would you recommend people exhibiting here, and why?
Let me offer this thought. First of all, this we went through a period of time when there was a belief that everything is going online, everything is going remote, and all the face-to-face and travel is going to go out the window, right? Well, I'm here to say with high confidence that those rumors were highly exaggerated, to quote somebody famous. And 2 data points for you. From what I understand, the show is picked up something in the neighborhood of 30 or 40 more vendors this year than last year. So we may set some new records in terms of not just vendor, but attendees. And if you look at ourselves as a host sponsor that we're very proud of, we actually increased our footprint from a 20 by 20 booth to a 20 by 30. So what does that tell you?
Well, I think what it tells me is what's important is the connection, and that human connection, and that interface that was supposed to be gone and everything go virtual, right?
That's right.
This is still the basic, most important aspect of conferences like this. Is that connection?
Absolutely. Having experts talk to experts in a face-to-face setting, touching and demonstrating, there will never be any substitute for that. Now, having said that, we are equally active on the online front. You probably know that we expanded our design participation at DesignCon participation with a DesignCon community, online community that we're currently piloting for the last 2-3 months. So we're working with sponsors to continue to grow that. So we think there's room for everything, but face-to-face exhibits are not going away anytime soon.
And that's good. That's good. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of time with us.
My pleasure.
Doru Popescu with Agilent Technology. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
And we'll see you next time on Chip Estimate TV.